Are you sick of companies with fishy water-resistant claims? We don't blame you. That's why at S-5, we back our product claims through verifiable industry testing. After all, once your roof starts leaking, how much is a waterproof guarantee really worth? Very little, let me tell you. How can you be sure that the promises being made by attachment manufacturers will actually hold water? Well, look no further than the ASTM E2140 water tightness test. This test method, performed only in a certified laboratory, is used to determine the resistance an attachment will have to water penetration when subjected to 6 inches of static water pressure. If the bracket undergoing this test allows even 1 drop of water through the attachment points, then it fails. The bar for passing this test is pretty high, but for good reason. A leaky roof is a big problem. Every one of S-5's brackets has been subjected to this test. We're proud to say that all have passed the rigors of the ASTM E2140 standard. Now, we could have left it at that, but we decided to take it a step further. We designed a variation of ASTM E2140 to test the waterproofness of an S-5 bracket when a load is applied. For our method, we attached a mechanical pull test to see how watertight the attachment is under 6 inches of water while subjected to the full allowable load. Once again, our bracket kept the water out. So next time you're looking for a dependable attachment method for your exposed fastened roof, remember, no other company puts their products to the test like S-5. We're not here to tell you a fish story.